The flooring you are about to install are designed and manufactured by Waytex Group's Textile Business Division. With more than 40 years woven vinyl material experience, Waytex has become an industry leader in the woven vinyl fabrics, used in end products such as flooring, outdoor furniture, and window shades. Wayflor's production facility is vertically integrated and maintains the highest level of standards in all stages of production: material compounding, yarn coating, warping, weaving, thermal setting, and final coating of woven vinyl flooring products. Final product can be purchased in rolls, tiles, or individual shapes and are ideal for commercial areas, offices, restaurants, showrooms, and gyms. Wayflor products are durable and feature anti-slip. The flooring is water-resistant, antifungal bacterial, anti-dust mite, and fire retardant. The wide range of designs make Wayflor products a perfect choice for residential customers as well. Now we will introduce how to install Wayflor woven vinyl flooring products tiles. Let us start to install.
Choose your flooring option from one of Waytex's more than 40 designs. In order to install the flooring successfully, floor must be completely level. For ceramic or cement subfloors, using a self-leveling cement. If the subfloor is level but not flat, use a quick-drying cement. For a demonstration on how to apply self-leveling cement to floor, refer to our video demonstration. How to install roll. If the subfloor is wooden, we recommend a polyurethane PU glue to prevent the wooden substance from warping. Here we use PU glue from Henkel R710 and a curing agent along with a trowel. Mix according to the instructions on the glue. Only mix as much glue as necessary, as the glue cannot be reused again after curing agent has been added. Choose a trowel that allows for even application of the glue. Then you can create the design how to install of your new floor. Install plan normally start from the center of installation. Today we are using another plan. Drawing the center line, applying glue with trowel, waiting and checking the right time for installation. Installation must be completed before floor is completely dry. Make sure the arrows marked on the back side of the flooring point in the same direction. Keep the line straight with the marks on your floor. For a seamless result, each tile must be placed flush against the surrounding tiles. Once half of the installation is complete, start the second half of the room. After installation, trim the edges. Here we use an edge trimmer to cut off excess flooring. To eliminate air pockets, use the heavy roller to press firmly on the entire surface. The installation is now complete. If further processes are needed, don't forget to have the proper protection of your new floor. Thank you.